Good morning, y'all. It is my favorite day in the whole wide world. It's my birthday, y'all. I am a birthday person. I love my birthday. I'm gonna have an amazing day today. Right now, I'm actually cooking either my birthday dinner slash lunch. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna eat it for. I was gonna cook it yesterday out, y'all, I promise. And I'm gonna bake myself a cake. I was supposed to do that yesterday too, but life happens. And I got in the bed, y'all, and I wasn't gonna get up. So here we are. But so far, I've talked to one of my good friends. And it's crazy because I have 3 close friends and she is one of them. Tiana, me and her, I took a birthday shot with her early this morning. My mom just called and she made me feel so special because my mom, she'll always sing you happy birthday. So she sang happy birthday and she was asking me how I was doing. I was telling her amazing, this and that. And I was like, aren't you at work? Because she literally called me and it's like 8:30 there. I'm like, that sounds like work time. And she was like, yeah, but I just could not let the day go by without. And I was just like, oh my gosh, I feel so special. But she had to like run off the phone. She's like, yeah, let me get back to work. But that's what's going on so far. And right now I'm cleaning up the kitchen because you know you cannot cook in a dirty kitchen. But I'm gonna vlog because why not? And you guys are gonna see what I do today. I might make this a weekend vlog because I'm supposed to be having fun all weekend. Just depending on how much footage we catch, because if I catch a lot, I may make separate vlogs. I didn't tell you guys what I'm making, but I'm gonna make a baked potato. It's gonna be loaded. I'm gonna put broccoli, cheese, sour cream, and then I'm also going to have green beans. I'm gonna steam. I love steamed green beans, and I'm gonna make these country style ribs in the Instant Pot. I've never made these before, but y'all, I love ribs, and these aren't like technically ribs, but they're gonna be close, and we're gonna see how they turn out. So right now, first I'm gonna start getting the baked potatoes baking. Oh, and I'm gonna make a carrot cake. But right now, the baked potatoes are what we're focusing on. Then I'll probably cut up the green beans because the green beans, I'm going to steam them like right before I eat. So I just got to prep them. And then I'm going to put those ribs or whatever they really are. And I'm eating pork, y'all. I try to stay away from it, but it's my birthday. I can do what I want. So we're going to see. But I'm just going to show y'all a little bit of prep slash cooking I'm doing right now. These are the potatoes I found out that I have, y'all. I thought I had big potatoes, but I'm just going to bake all of these. And I'll probably like have 2.5 each time. I had these marinating for at least 24 hours, probably between 24 and 48. I don't know, it's probably like a day and a half I had these marinating. So we're gonna see. This recipe is pretty much you just marinate them, then you put them in here and you pressure cook them and they're done. Y'all, I'm excited to see how these turn out, but you do have to put them in the broiler after you take them out of here, which I didn't read that the first time, but it doesn't matter. Like, I'm gonna do that. We're gonna see how these are. Now time to get started on this cake, and I decided I'm gonna cut the recipe into a third. I was gonna do a fourth, but then that was getting too tricky because it calls for 3 eggs. I was like, let's just do a third, and I might freeze a slice, like if there's extra or something, which I don't think there will be. I used to be playing tennis like every day for a while, but I stopped, and now I'm back today. I actually have on the tennis skirt that I show you guys. This is my first time actually wearing it, other than for that video I was showing you it, and excited. I'm on the phone with T. Say hey T.
What's poppin' vlog?
And I thought my birthday dress had arrived, and I'm not sure if it did or not. It may be downstairs, so we're gonna go check it out and see. Y'all gonna see my honest reaction whether it's here or not. So let's go.
Somebody ain't gotta get their ass kicked.
Yeah, if they did, I'm gonna call Nordstrom so mad. You're ruining my birthday. See here.
nap time now.
Yeah, I just woke up from a nap not too long ago, but I'm about to make this icing. And then I think I'm gonna go take a picture for Instagram. Grace, my friend who I'm supposed to be hanging out with, she is playing. She said she could be here at 1:30, y'all. It's about to be 4:30. This girl still has not pulled up. So I'm gonna busy myself and we're gonna do these things. She said I ain't paid $100 on them tickets.
Oh, for Saturday?
My Grace signed up for the wrong day. Can we please?
Okay, thank you. And then I can come again tomorrow? No, I meant to put it for today. It's fine.
Not even in charge of this.
First of all, you know that my schedule is crazy. I never know what day of the week it is.
Yeah.
My bad.
That is so funny. I was wondering, I'm like, something suspicious. Whether you live in Dallas or you're here visiting, I recommend you check out the People's Last Stand cocktail class. We went for my birthday and y'all, we had so much fun. You get a champagne toast and then you make 2 cocktails. We even met some people there that we're going to go to church with this Sunday. Go figure.
Hey y'all, Daiquiri Factory time.
Turn up, y'all.
Yes.
We've never been, so we're hoping. I think it's gonna be.
We are
good.
hoping that it's good because y'all be lying sometimes about the food and the service, but we see. We'll see.
Me and Grace are at Southern Classic Daiquiri Factory. Is it decent or is it good?
It's decent, but nothing beats the homemade.
Yeah.
Like when we make them at home,
We can't even compare that though.
I guess I should have said like well done.
Yeah.
'Cause I want that crispiness. It's cool.
Both got wings, but like Grace got red beans right. Taste it. That's just good.
On my right.
They're good. Like them red beans rice. Oh!